we've got them mocked up in place of where we kind of want them, where we think we want them anyway. So now we need to strip the panels back off, lay some orange down in all the areas where these stickers are going to be, let that completely set, then put the stickers on top of the orange before we paint the panels in their silvery grey. Then when we peel the stickers off, we should get the orange coming through. It should look like a nice embossed logo, and then we can clear it all together. The only thing I'm questioning right now is whether I just put orange base coat on, or I put orange base coat on and clear it, and then flat that back and scuff it before we go for the actual colour, the base coat of the proper colour. Clearing it would protect it better. It's a metallic-y pearl orange, so there's risk of damaging the metallic as we pull the sticker off. But if it's fully cured, we're going to have to leave it a couple of days. If it has fully gone off, it should be alright. So the pros of clearing it would be that it protects it better, you could peel it off better, and it'd have that nice gloss that you could cut back and then just clear over. The worry is that unless I cleared the whole panels, which I don't want to do, you're going to have lacquer edges which could then react with the base coat that goes on next. So I think I just need to get some base coat on them, see how it looks, and make a decision from there. Right, I'll get these panels whipped off and we'll start laying down some orange in the areas where the stickers are going to go. See how it goes. Right, we'll leave that to dry. All the paint looks to have laid out good where the stickers are going to be. There's a little bit there that's not overly happy, but that's not where a sticker's going to be, so we can put the sticker in place and just flat that back before we do the proper top coat. They now need a good, at least a day or two to fully cure before I dare stick stickers on it that I intend to peel off. So give that some drying time and then bring you back at another step. worst silicons I have ever seen in one small panel, and it is my fault, and my lad's a little bit, because I panel wiped everything and then he came home from work and he silicon sprayed his helmet. He didn't know. But I said I'm going to have to panel wipe all them again now, and then I didn't panel wipe it. So that's going to take a bit of flattening and polishing, possibly flat back, and then give it another coat of clear. We'll see. I did get a lot of clear on there, so we'll see if there's enough to just cut it back and get rid of them all, but that was a lot. Right, must remember to panel wipe the final panel.